Hello friend, today's my presentation topic is paper number 13, the new literature. The topic is analysis of the one night at the call center. About the author, Chetan Bhagat is very famous writer in English languages and literature. He was born in 22nd April 1974 in New Delhi. He write about the new generation of youngest people of the country. He gets degree mechanical engineering in New Delhi. He worked for Gold Search in Hong Kong as investment banker. Today he focuses on writing in Mumbai for his best career while at the Czech Bank. He famous for Indian writing for younger and the middle class people. By his writing, he gives idea about the Indian country and Indian people. He covered his work globalization, nationalism, and Indian traditional society. He gives idea about hidden society of India. After this thing, he try to show this all things. So let's think about it. His famous work, his famous novel, 5 Point of Someone, 2004, One Night at the Call Center, 2005, The Three Mistakes of My Life, 2008, Two States, 2009, Half Girlfriend, 2014. His famous non-fictional work is What Young India Wants, 2012, Making India Wisdom, 2015, India Positive, 2019. Here I would like to give idea about the one night at the call center. Let's start discuss about it. About the novel, One Night at the Call Center is novel written by Chetan Bhagat. Is very interesting novel in English languages. In this novel, he describes six character who is working in the one call center of Gurgaon in Haryana. By this character, this novel become very interesting. They all are take place at the night time and comfort and confront some aspect of themselves. The story began with one friend during the journey of Kanpur to Kanpur to Delhi. During the journey, narrator meet the famous author in the train. The author was write the second book in on his first book. In the discussion, this all things involved. Effect of globalization in the novel. Globalization in the interaction between the people. This novel gives idea about the globalization in full of the novel. All six characters are working in the call center. They help to foreigner for home appliance. Here we can see that they all connect to global world and people and sharing the idea about it. Then here we can see effect of globalization in full of the novel. All global country believing that in India is very poor country. We can see the capitalism is the center of globalization. We look the effect and find happiness, freedom and everything. Here I am talking about film, the narrative structure in the novel and comparison with the life of Pi. For the better understanding, we can take example of the movie Life of Pi. It gives similar idea of the novel. In this novel, we can take idea from the movie of Life of Pi. The novel have unreliable narrative structure. We can say that the novel is start of narrator in the train, and the Chetan Bhagat was takes Shyam as a narrator in the novel. In the train, the narrator says to story to Chetan Bhagat in the train. Here we can say that the similarity between the life of Pi and the novel of One Night at the call center. Life of Pi also protagonist also says story to writer same as well as the novel. The writer and narrator are same in both. In both of the story, writer take God man. Theme of the nationalism. In the novel, we can see theme of the nationalism and anti-American idea in full of the novel. Here, all Indian like to become as American person because they all are very wealthy person. Here we can see idea about the richness and poor Indian people person, and all have dreamed to go America. In this novel, we can see that the idea of anti-American idea. We think that why God is give we think that why God is give more wealth to American and not Indian. That God also share the idea about how we win on the American person. Thus, we can say that the Chetan Bhagat use very good word for describe nationalism in the novel. Cyberpunk novel. In everywhere we can find some new creativity, and then we find the main characteristic in this novel. It used by Chetan Bhagat. Cyberpunk is the part of the science fiction in the novel. Some very useful characteristics. So here is some characteristic is scientific fiction, strong sense of helplessness, misery, dystopic idea, laws of morality and humility. Corporation control over the life of worker. All six characters of novel faces a various problem and suffer a lot. Workers work is in the computer screen day and night and connect with global idea in the world. Then dystopic is not a happy world. We all character have different problem in own life. The laws of morality we see in novel. Blackmail to Bugsy and get money for new business. We see if we work some company and we all are work in pleaser in high position person give to pressure for more self for growth and etc. Then we can say at last corporation is always gives more network for loss of work. It's very useful today time. Conclusion. This novel gives idea about globalizations, nationalisms and other networking idea in the novel. At last we can say the characteristic in the novel we find it and discuss. So by the way, after all the things, One Night at the Call Center is very interesting and ideal novel written by Chetan Bhagat. Thank you.